All right, fam, welcome back to the channel. We're here on the North Shore of Oahu. And what are we doing today, babe?
We're hunting for seashells. That's
right, we're on the prowl. Our roommate, this is a shout out to Michaela. She inspired us to go seashell hunting. So we're here looking for some seashells. We're a little south of Sunset Beach, and
low tide.
Yeah, low tide. It's about probably, I don't have my phone, it's probably like 5, no, almost 6, and we're gonna be hunting around and see what we can find. Yeah, we appreciate you guys checking out another one of our videos. Always like and subscribe right now, especially if this is like your second video, right?
Yes.
If you watch someone's channel like the second time, it's a good sign. It's time for you to subscribe. So we're out here, we're gonna walk down the beach, see if we can find any goodies in here. It's a little chilly. All right, we'll check back in a second when we find some goodies. Oh, dang girl, dang girl. To pull it out of the water. It was like, I thought it was like an animal or something. A pokey.
Alright.
The hunt is on. We've yet to found a real good one, but I feel like I need to get my snorkeling on. Alright, we found a little crab. I was reaching down and just picking up random gravel, and then see if we can get him. It's right in the center of the screen. Come make him. It's right there. It's not really focusing, but tiny crab. You want to take away that one that has a bunch of little rocks on it? Yeah. See him right there? Okay.
Gonna bring him up.
He's like not even moving. Oh, he's holding on to that shell. Now you can really see him.
Yeah.
Little tiny crab. I'm like, I didn't even know they had, you know, what kind of crab is that? I guess anyone who knows, you know, leave it in the comments. Seen a little crab like that here in Hawaii. Little guy, we're gonna send him back off. Sophia wants to give him a kiss. Bye bye.
He's all scared.
Yeah, he is scared. Sophia just snagged this little treasure up off there. It makes like a little like hanger of some sort, or I don't know.
Oh, like yeah.
I don't know.
It's a cool color. It's like reddish purple.
Yeah. So look at all these. We found this like shell. I'm like trying to decide like. Went under for a second. Hopefully the audio came back. So nothing really good in there, but I mean eventually we'll find something. should have worn my swimming shirt. Let's see if the camera can see anything, dude. Got a shark tooth. What else do we got in here? Oh, is this a rock frisbee? Two. What else? This one looks cool. Where'd it go? I think it was this one. No. Looked like a tornado kinda. Need like a big sift to get all the rocks out from the sand. And I could pick them. Like a red one. Not too special. Nothing too special yet. We'll come back when there's something special.
Jordan's found a bottle and he found that little ball, like a dog toy. I've been over here drawing. Looks like oh, it is a plastic bottle. Got the nice sunset too. Let's see, here he comes. Is there something in it? Is there something in it? Oh.
Pull that right. This isn't going to deteriorate in the ocean.
No.
Figured the sound of the dog walks by or something.
Yeah.
But I'm going to get a little bit, there's just a little channel right there, right where I came up. There's a bunch of shells over there.
Nice.
Should I take the GoPro there?
Yes. Jordan's over there. Oh, here he comes. And this is what I've been up to.
Oh, hi, baby. That's your lady. All right, fam. We watched the beautiful sunset. Didn't catch any of it. Sophia got some little snips, but
Yeah.
didn't see the actual going down. It was a good time. We ended up getting some trash out of the ocean, got a fin, a surfboard, and then some little rocks and coral that we showed you on the video. So nothing super spectacular, but it was some good little finds.
Well, and this beach is nice. This whole area is really...
Yeah, I'll take like a little screenshot of where we parked from Google Maps. And I would, if you're looking for a beach to just hang out and watch the sunset and you don't want to go to Sunset Beach and be surrounded by a bunch of people, this little parking lot back here is a good little score. So always like, subscribe. We love you guys. Thanks for watching the channel, and we'll catch you next time.